Hi, I'm Nico, the CEO of AI Agents, and today I'm going to just record some of the things I do on a daily basis. So we have OpenCLAW running on a Mac Mini, and I asked Sarah, the CEO, to make a CRM system, and I just got some changes here that I want to have her work on, and I want to show you what she does. So basically, I make all the decisions in terms of what to use. I did mention that I want PostScript SQL, and you can see here she's following my instructions. So I said I need some changes. I want the left tab to be narrower. I want the fields to be narrower, and also to add one field which is a call stage to track where our leads are. And so she's running actually ChatGPT 5.4, and she's got quite a bit of intelligence. I did try to use cheaper models, but she's very creative. And one of the things I dislike is when you use language models and they keep on asking you too many questions. So the premise is that you make decisions. I don't want to be asked every time, oh, does this look good? Do you want me to use this? And this CRM is running on a private LAN, so everything is internal. Nothing's exposed to the outside world. Been using and developing with OpenCLAW for about 4 months now. It's been an interesting journey because there were so many updates being made that basically like it would break like every 2-3 days because they implemented new security measures. I still feel at our company, AI Agents, we've been building AI voice systems for 4 years now. And I think people finally understand what agentic AI is. And it's basically using AI agents to make decisions, take action. So, for example, Sarah is the main agent. And if she needs help, she can actually spawn sub-agents to do specific tasks if she can't keep up. And so we are building a team of around 10 agents. There are 2 humans in our team, and that's it. I don't want to, and I hate to say this, I don't want to hire people. The added expense, and I think the lack of experience, capabilities in this world that's constantly changing. I do feel like it's difficult for most people to keep up with the technologies that are changing constantly. And our job at AI Agents is to provide consultation, advice, and also development if necessary to implement and integrate AI into your business. I basically have a certificate from Berkeley, an AI certificate from Berkeley that is directly correlated to applying applications in businesses. And I have 4 decades of experience with IT consulting and development. So now we're combining both the IT, and when I say IT, is AI is not the solution for everything. It's kind of like a combination of things. So you have automation. Say you want to be able to send out emails to leads. We've set up a Google Sheet where when we get new leads, they get put in there. And then I have a script using make.com that checks the column that says intro mail, yes or no. And if it hasn't sent out an introductory email, it will queue it up and send an email directly to that lead. And we just keep on feeding new leads into the system, and the system keeps on checking the spreadsheet. And we have multiple columns, like for email 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it'll go through a series of total 5 emails to that lead. And now what we are developing is a system where Sarah can actually check our Google account, email account. Okay, so let's see. And put them in the CRM and tag them and respond. So let's see what she says.
Updated the modern CRM. Made the left sidebar narrower so more of the form is visible. Tightened the contact form layout, including company/first name/last name fields. Added a contact stage field for lead tracking with values like intro_email, proposal, and waiting_for_payment. Wired stage through the database, API, demo request flow, and tests. I also rebuilt the client bundle and the test suite passed.
So I'm going to refresh this and see if she actually did it. Let's go to contacts. So let's see, title. I don't see the changes, so let's just refresh one more time and go to contacts. So let me go back to Sarah and say I refreshed the layout and I don't see the changes. Can you verify that the changes were done? So the whole idea of this is to have a CRM, and as you can note, there's documents that AI understands, can read better, and it's called Markdown. So I have something called Markdown notes, because what I want to do in the future is I want to just verbally query the CRM, and I don't want to go and check the CRM. I don't want to find contacts. I just want to verbally ask questions and get responses. I think, as you can see, the new programming language is basically English or your native language. So I just basically tell it what I want made. It doesn't matter if it's a Python script, if it's to build a website. None of those things matter. So let's see. Well, I don't see what she's doing. And basically, I used Sarah here to build everything for me. And so the whole project is to create a team of a main agent and sub-agents. So she didn't make it live. So they can interact with each other. So Sarah will be the primary agent that I communicate with daily at 6 p.m., where she gives me updates of what the other agents are doing. She monitors them and makes sure that they are doing their daily tasks. She's also doing something interesting where she's actually, instead of sending us a text or something, she's creating tasks for us in the CRM. And then when we complete them, she will review them and tell us what the status is. So let's see what she's saying. Okay, so she is verifying. And so the goal, okay.
Verified. The live CRM was stale before, but I fixed that. Migrated the DB schema. Restarted the API in Vite Dev server. Confirmed the live API now includes stage. Confirmed the running client source includes the new contact stage logic. If the browser was already open, hard refresh it once and the updated layout should show. Warning: something went wrong while processing your request. Please try again, or use /new to start a fresh session.
Something went wrong with this, but I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what my day looks like. And if you want, I'll be making more videos on this and giving you the progress of our new CEO, Sarah, and AI agent. Thanks for watching. Bye.